We are back mga OFW bound for Taiwan. Ikapoy na Miss DepEd ay sa mga tunamig Taiwan kay mag OFW may mag DH. The Vem.
Hello.
Mag DH ba yata day? DH at so to? DH. So lagi correction na taday. Okay, so backtas na pod mi ani padulong sulod sa airport. Bugat ka sa bulsa ang 5.40 per head guys. So mamaktas ta underpass. Baktas squad, Jess.
Baktas squad.
Mahal kaya ang 40 guys sa taxi. So, wakaton. Ayan. So, we're done checking in sa aming luggage. We will be flying with Philippine Airlines this time. Close na ang travel tax at 8 p.m. So, isa lang yung boarding pass na binigay. And we will be paying our travel tax pa sa Manila. Ama namin. No. Kani siya nga trip guys, kay kuan pod ni siya. Despedida party po nila, grandest despedida party of Jessa. Ay hala, kauban to si Marimar day. Oo, di ba? Oh. Star-studded.
Sige ito.
Si Polgos. Sige na, aw daw. Aw. Kauban na tong Bali squad si Ma'am Lenny, o si Ma'am Rabia nga. Hala, grabe yun ang check-in niya sa ano ay sa staff. Oo. Hala, bragiyahan siya isa ka aeroplano ba? Mga Bali squad nato din sila, kauban na po nato sa Taiwan. So unfortunately guys, nag-close na ang travel tax area. As early as 7 p.m. nag-close na siya. So what happened is isang boarding pass lang yung binigay. Then sa Manila is mag-check-in na po magbalik sa counter para mabigyan kami ng boarding pass going to Taipei. We are now at the boarding gates here in lounge number 5. Yan. So, as you have seen kanina sa ating previous video, we will be going to Taipei this time. And we are a group of 15 packs. So, sa 15 is 14 yan is from DepEd, tsaka isa from PNP. No? So, 15 kami lahat sa travel na ito. Our flight for today is a red-eye flight. So, meron tayong connecting flight sa Terminal 2. And then, we will be changing Terminal 1 going to Taipei later at 6 a.m. in the morning. Okay, of course, atong travel buddy since Ilocos Norte.
Yes.
Madam Ching.
2014.
Wish you were here 2014. Kita mag-jida yung pinakauna no. We have landed at Manila International Airport at Terminal 2. Terminal 2 is a special hub of Philippine Airlines. So from here we'll be having a connecting flight to Terminal 1. So may free shuttle bus to sila. So let's just go to the transfer desk. This is my second time arriving in Terminal 2. Okay, pack. Welcome to Terminal 2. Pack, beshi besh. Wala to si Marimar. Di ba sa beach man dapat si Marimar? Pero sa cityscapes ka. So from the Terminal 2 at the end pa of Terminal 2 is the transfer going to Terminal 1. Hindi to lang kaliit yung kanilang transfer. So nandiyan na yung bus. We will now proceed to Terminal 1. Day, naongot lagi ta sa kuan day. We have arrived at the Terminal 1. This is my first time here in the Terminal 1. Yeah. So, first thing first, kasi hindi tayo nakabayad ng travel tax kanina sa Davao. So, pipila muna tayo dito para sa ating travel tax. Ayan, nakapila kami para sa travel tax. 1,620 pa rin yung travel tax for economy. Ayan guys, we're now done paying sa travel tax. So right now, this is the entirety of the Terminal 1. This is my first time na pumasok dito sa Terminal 1. Ayan, so ganito lang siya kalaki guys. Diyan sa may ibabaw, nandiyan na yung mga airport lounges. And as you can see over there, that's the immigration already. Good thing of having a connecting flight with the same airline, just like Philippine Airlines, is yung shuttle service from terminal to another terminal is free already. So wala ka nang babayaran. Kasi if it happened na yung papunta mo ng Manila is a different airline, so hindi siya free, so you need to go to outside of the airport at so either magta-taxi ka o sasakay ka ng bus, yung airport loop. Tapos na kami nag-check-in kasi ang nangyari, di kami nakakuha ng travel tax sa Davao. So kaya hindi kami binigyan ng boarding pass connecting to Taipei. So what happened is nagbayad dito sa Manila and then kumuha pa kami ng second boarding pass dito sa Terminal 1. So right now, the moment of truth, no? So papasok na kami sa immigration. Mamaya na natin ating video. I-update kayo sa mga tanong sa IO. After passing to the security check is dito na agad sa lounges at saka sa duty shop, duty free. Dito tayo be. So, success po. 15 pasok sa banga.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Lucky 15 pasok po tayo sa banga. So, all the way to Taipei natin to the jackpot round. Left.
Jugo kaya sa mga directions ayaw pag-ana.
Diyos ko dahil. So, ito na yung gate natin guys. Gate number 3. So, time check. It's already 3 a.m. in the morning. So, we have arrived at our gate in gate 3. So, ayun na nga. Yung trip namin nga papuntang Taipei is a group of 15 packs. 15 kami. 14 lahat from DepEd, tsaka isa from PNP. Supposedly 16 kami ngayon dito. Pero yung isa hindi na nag-push due to some personal reason. So, yung ticket namin dito guys sa Philippine Airlines sa puntang Taipei is na-book namin siya 10 months pa away from before our trip. So, na-book namin to last August after our Boracay trip ng the same set of friends pa rin siya. Then, kuha namin tong ticket na ito guys for only 9,200. That is round trip na from Davao to Taipei with connecting flight in Manila. So, included na doon yung 30 kilos natin na bag, tsaka yung meals natin sa plane. So, this trip is just a short trip lang sa ating bakasyon for this 30 days uninterrupted. So, we departed last June 23 kahapon. Then, we will be going back to the Philippines on Thursday, on June 27. Yan. So, yung aming trip is very short lang sa Taipei, Taiwan. Actually, this trip, I already planned this 2020 pa siya. Way back 4 years ago. Kaso lang hindi siya na-push because of the pandemic. So, 4 years after, so nakapag finally is na-realize natin siya 4 years after that pandemic. So, isa talaga sa rason kung bakit gusto ko pumunta ng Taipei, Taiwan because of the food. Kung saan yung mga masasarap na pagkain dapat natin yung puntahan. So, there will be a series of street foods every night sa mga night markets. No? So, abangan niyo po yung mga succeeding namin ng mga itineraries sa aming Taiwan trip. Yung flight namin papuntang Taipei, Taiwan is 6:45 a.m. pa. So, we still have 3 hours to kill the time. Then we will be arriving in Taipei at 8:40 in the morning, 8:45. So, after that is most probably be our first activity for this trip is pupunta kami ng Taichung, in which we will be having a day tour on Taichung trip. So, keep tuning to this video because ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga dapat puntahan nyo dito sa Taipei. Kanina pala sa ating immigration experience, sa 15 po natin lahat na kasama ko ngayon is lahat po kami pasok at saka wala naman pong naharang sa immigration. So, yung naging proseso sa akin sa immigration this time is napaka-smooth. Actually, sa smooth kasi niya, wala siyang tinanong sa akin. So, wala katao-tao sa immigration kanina. So, pumunta agad ako sa counter ng isang IO. Tapos, pagdating ko doon, binigay ko agad yung passport. Then, ayun lang, meron siyang parang tinype sa computer, inascan yung passport. Tapos after that is tinataka na yung aking passport. So, wala kami naging conversation this time. No, any words wala akong na-utter. Tapos, hindi man lang hinanap yung aking authority to travel. So, tinignan lang yung passport ko. Tapos, ayun, tinataka na niya. Then, nag-proceed na agad ako sa scanning. So, most of my companions for this trip, ganun din yung nangyari sa kanila. Most especially yung mga, hindi first-timers. Some of my companions also, yung makakasamahan ko din ngayon is yung mga iba, lalo na yung mga first-timers. Medyo konti lang naman din yung mga tanong, pero may tinanong din sa kanila, especially yung mga first-timers. So yung common question lang o yung basic question is kailan yung balik, ano yung purpose, ganun. So since government man kami lahat, so yung mga natanong kung anong yung trabaho, hinanapan talaga sila lang authority to travel. So yun lang yung naging ganap sa IO experience namin. So right now is 4 AM pa. So we still have 2 hours to kill. Finally, we are boarding after 6 hours of waiting. After how many hours of waiting? This is the Philippine Airlines Terminal 1.
Will drop from above. Remove your face
We are
covering.
now departing
Immediately grab
Terminal
the mask
1.
and pull firmly towards.
Oh my gosh! Welcome to Taiwan. Officially welcome to Taiwan. Nakatat guys. And welcome to Taiwan. Welcome to Taiwan. We still have one immigration to pass. Ayan guys. So officially we have just landed Taipei, Taoyuan in Terminal 1. Guys, how was the trip? And so, naka-exit din kami finally sa immigration guys. So, it took us parang mga almost an hour. Kasi ang daming tao sa immigration. Pero meron silang e-gates dito guys. You can also use that. So, upon arrival, yung requirement lang is yung arrival card, which is ibibigay sa aircraft. Pero pag hindi ka naman nabigyan ng arrival card is, pwede ka naman mag-scan sa kanilang QR code. So, yung tanong sa immigration is wala. Hinanap lang kinuha lang yung passport tsaka yung arrival card. Then, we are visa exempted for up to 14 days. And guys, ang ganda ng kanilang carousel. Very systematic. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. Tingnan nyo yung shower room nila guys. Meron silang shower room dito sa airport sa Taoyuan. Guys, andyan yung shower room nila. Sa likod lang ng conveyor belt ng mga baggages. So, naligo tayo dyan kanina. Okay, so customs na tayo. Lalabas na din tayo finally. Ayan na guys. So, dito na tayo sa Lucky Land. My gosh, so this is the most exciting part in which yung fill up natin sa Lucky Land Taiwan is atin na siyang i-scan dito. If mananalo ka dito, meron kang it's either 5,000 NTD na voucher. My gosh, let's go here. Oh my gosh. Hi!
Ako daw.
Okay. Ay na nag-i-press lo. Alala, oh my God, lo! 5, 4, 3, 2. I see you! Ay! Ek! Kolelat sa Lucky Land. Ginoo ko. Better luck next time, no? Next visit. Kolelat po lahat. Kolelat po lahat sa Lucky Land. Unfortunately, hindi kami nanalo. So right now is we'll be going to the Klook. We will be redeeming our SIM card that we have purchased last month pa siya. Right after this is exit na kami. Naghihintay na kasi si Kuya. So might probably be our first vlog. Will end here sa airport. So yung ating Taichung vlog will be a separate vlog na naman po siya. Paglabas mo sa arrival area is turn right lang pala siya. Tsaka sa pinakadulo lang ng terminal. Yan. So under Chungwa yung SIM card namin. Yan. So naka-SIM na sila. That's it. That's one. Ayan siya, guys. Diyan kami nag-withdraw sa Bank of Taiwan. Ayan. Diyos ko, Lord. So, ginamit ko na card sa pag-withdraw is yung GCash. So, accepted siya dito, guys, sa Taiwan. Yung withdraw ko na cash is 8,500 NTT. So, hindi ko pa ma-access kung ilan na nabawas sa aking GCash kasi hindi ko ma-open yung GCash app. So, magkano man yung nabawas, i-update ko kayo sa mga susunod pa ng mga videos. So, I think dito na po matatapos ang ating first vlog, first part sa ating vlog sa Taiwan. And after this is it's already 12 noon na. We will be having our day trip. Ewan ko kung day trip ang tawag to Taichung. No? So see you on our next video.